Hey there, welcome back to Buy Smart. In today's video, we have an exciting comparison for you. We'll be comparing two drones, the Stone HS440 drone and the S90 drone. We'll be looking at various categories to help you make an informed decision. So let's get started. First up, let's talk about the camera capabilities of these drones. Both the Stone hydrogen sulfide and the S90 come equipped with a 1080p HD camera, allowing you to capture stunning aerial footage. Flight time is an important factor to consider when choosing a drone. Let's see how these drones perform in terms of flight time. Now, let's talk about portability. Having a portable drone can make it easier for you to carry it around and capture amazing footage wherever you go. Based on online reviews, both the Stone HS440 drone and the S90 drone have received positive feedback. And that concludes our comparison of the Stone HS440 drone and the S90 drone. Both of these drones offer impressive camera capabilities, decent flight times, and portability. Ultimately, the choice between these two drones depends on your specific needs and preferences. We hope this comparison has been helpful in guiding you towards making a smart purchase. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy flying!